Welcome, my dear students. We are going to study the hydrides of group 15 elements, that is the hydrides of nitrogen family. All elements forms volatile hydrides, volatile trihydrides of formula NH3. Ammonia, phosphine, arsine, stibine and bismuthine. Ammonia NH3, phosphine PH3, arsine ASH3, stibine SBH3 and bismuthine BiH3. Hydrides of the elements of group 15 are all colorless gases. They have strong smell, are poisonous in nature. The intensity of a smell and poisonous nature increases from ammonia to the bismuthine. On descending the group from ammonia to bismuthine, the hydrides become increasingly difficult to prepare. Their stability decreases, their reducing power increases, the ease of replacing hydrogen atom decreases. Substances containing hydrogen bound to the electronegative elements like nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, the relatively weak secondary bond is called as the hydrogen bond. Example, X dash H dotted Y. Dark line X in between X and H, and dotted line in between H and Y. X, H, Y. In this, hydrogen atoms is covalently bonded to X and is also simultaneously attached to Y by the hydrogen bond shown by the dotted lines. Here X and Y both are strongly electronegative atoms like chlorine, fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen, and X and Y may be same or different. X and Y may be same or different. The bond energies of hydrogen bond range between 2 to 10 kilocalorie per mole. Hydrogen atom with 1s1 electron cannot form more than one pure covalent bond. Hence, the hydrogen bond arises due to the electrostatic force. Hydrogen has a coordination number 2. Hydrogen atom in such a species is serving as a bridge between the two electronegative atom. NH3 means N dash dark line H dotted line N. Mean NH3 one NH3 molecule, another NH3 molecule, in there is a N dark line H dotted line N, means there is a hydrogen bond arises due to electrostatic force, and the X and Y may be same in ammonia molecule. NH3 exhibit hydrogen bonding. The electronegativity difference between H and N is large. N delta minus, H delta plus bond become highly polar. NH bond becomes the highly polar. Such polar molecules interact strongly with other dipoles. Out of N, O and F, the electronegativity increases in the order N is less as compared to O as compared to F. The strength of hydrogen bond also increases in the same order. HNH 8.37 kilojoule per mole, HOH 29.20 kilojoule per mole, HFH 41.85 kilojoule per mole. H bond is stronger than van der Waals forces of attraction but weaker than covalent bonding. Thus, ammonia undergoes intermolecular hydrogen bonding and form cluster of NH3X. NH3 cluster. The physical properties which get affected due to hydrogen bonding. The hydrides, there is a ammonia, phosphine, arsine, stibine, bismuthine. The melting point and there is a boiling point, bond energy, bond angle, bond length and dipole moment are the properties, that is characteristic that studied. Then there is a during down the group, as the molecular weight of hydrides increases, the magnitude of van der Waals forces of attraction also increases. The high melting point and boiling point of ammonia is due to the association of its molecules through hydrogen bonding. Means the melting point of ammonia is minus 77.8 and boiling point is minus 34.5. Then bond energy is required, that is the 389 kilojoule per mole. Bond angle is found, that is 107 degree 0.48 minute. The bond length is 1.017 angstrom unit and the dipole moment is 1.46. The solubility of hydrides in water and heat of formation of hydrides decreases from the ammonia to steam. Ammonia is highly soluble in water, but other hydrides are less soluble. The high solubility of ammonia is due to the hydrogen bonding between ammonia and water. The ammonia in which the nitrogen and hydrogen is in a dark line, indicated by dark line, nitrogen hydrogen bond, and then hydrogen and oxygen from the water, that can be by dotted line. Means NHO. NH is a dark line and HO in a dotted line. The bond length and the thermal stability. The thermal stability of hydrides decreases from ammonia to bismuthine. The ammonia, phosphine, arsenine, stibine, bismuthine, in which there is the dissociation temperature is for ammonia is 1773 Kelvin, phosphine 673 Kelvin, arsenine 533 Kelvin, stibine 323 Kelvin, and bismuthine is 298 Kelvin. The inert atmosphere in which there is a temperature is maintained. Means for ammonia there is a 1300 degree centigrade dissociation temperature, and phosphine there is a 440 degree centigrade temperature in inert atmosphere. The reducing power of hydrides gradually increases. Antimony to bismuthine are strong reducing agent. These hydrides are strong reducing agent and react with a solution of metal ions to give phosphides, arsenides and stibinides. They are all flammable and highly explosive. Ammonia can donate its lone pair of electrons quite strongly to form complexes. Phosphine also act as an electron donor to form complexes. The donor properties of the other hydrides are very weak and they have little or no tendency to form coordinate bonds. The bond strength. The hydrides have a pyramidal and tetrahedral structure with a lone pair of electrons in one of the orbitals. Hence, they have strong electron donating capacity. However, from ammonia to bismuthine, electron donating capacity decreases as the size increases. Ammonia and phosphine acts as good electron donors. Ammonia, which donates the electron to BF3. Electron lone pair donated ammonia is Lewis base and BF3 is a acceptor molecule. It is a Lewis acid. Phosphine is a much weak base and forms phosphonium salts which are unstable in water. Ammonia is a colorless gas with a pungent odor. It is rapidly soluble in water with the evolution of heat. NH3 plus H2 gives NH4 plus OH minus. NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, behaves as a weak base. Ammonia and ammonium hydroxide both react with acid, forming ammonium salts. Ammonium salts are usually slightly acidic. Ammonium salts decompose quite readily on heating. If the anion is not oxidizing, for example chloride, carbonate, sulfate, etc., then the ammonia gas is evolved. Ammonium chloride decomposes to give NH3 plus HCl. Ammonium sulfate NH4 twice SO4 decomposes to give H2SO4 plus. Ammonia evolved. Ammonium carbonate NH4 twice CO3, it gives H2O plus CO2 plus NH3. Means CO2 and ammonia that can be evolved by decomposition of ammonium carbonate. Ammonia is prepared in the laboratory by heating ammonium salt with NaOH. Ammonium chloride plus NaOH, it gives NaCl plus H2O plus ammonia. Ammonia can be manufactured synthetically from H2N into by Haber-Bosch process or method. It is also prepared by hydrolysis of calcium cyanamide CaN plus H2O, it gives a calcium carbonate plus twice NH3. CaN is a fertilizer and the above reaction takes place in the soil. The ammonium chloride is soldering material. Ammonium nitrate is used as a nitrogenous fertilizer. It can cause explosion and hence it is often mixed with the calcium carbonate or ammonium sulfate to make it a safe. Diammonium sulfate, diammonium hydrogen phosphate and ammonium dihydrogen phosphates are also used as fertilizers. Ammonium chlorate is used as oxidizing agent in solid fuel rocket propellant. NH4 plus is a tetrahedral ion. Phosphine PH3, it is a colorless toxic gas. It slightly smells of garlic or bad fish. It is a highly reactive. If you consider the preparation, PH3 is prepared by hydrolysis of metal phosphides Ca3P2 calcium phosphide Ca3P2 plus 6H2O, it gives twice PH3 phosphine plus thrice CaOH2 calcium hydroxide. PH3 is also prepared by hydrolysis of white phosphorus with the sodium hydroxide solution. P4 plus thrice NaOH plus thrice H2O, it gives PH3 plus thrice NaH2PO2. If you consider the properties PH3 is not highly soluble in water. The aqueous solutions are neutral. It is more soluble in carbon disulfide and other organic solvent. Pure PH3 phosphine is stable in air, but it catches fire when heated to about 150 degrees centigrade. PH3 plus O2, it gives H3PO4. The PH3 frequently contains traces of diphosphine P2H6, which is the cause of fire. The bond energy and stability of the hydrides both decrease down the group. Hence, arsenine, the stibine, bismuthine are obtained only in small amounts. Arsenine, stibine and bismuthine are prepared by hydrolyzing binary metal compounds with water or dilute acid. Binary metal compounds, for example, Zn3AS2 plus thrice H2O, it gives AsH3ZnO. Then Mg3Sb2, it gives SbH3. Mg3Bi2 with HCl, it gives BiH3. Means the hydrolysis with water or HCl, it gives the binary metal compounds. The arsenide and stibine are formed in a Marsh test for arsenine and stibine, arsenic and stibine compounds. This test was used as a forensic test. Arsenine forms a mirror after the heating. Thank you.